Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Crayon Lane Teach. Today's video is going to be all about subtraction, and this video is going to be looking specifically at teaching subtraction using a number line. So if you think that you're going to find this video useful, then keep on watching. So today we're going to be looking at teaching subtraction using a number line. So here I've just drawn a simple number line on my whiteboard. Sorry it's a little bit dirty, but you could easily print one off from the internet that you find, or even draw on a bit of paper, or even ask the children you're working with to draw on a bit of paper. It's actually quite good if the children can actually draw the jumps on the number line. So if you do print one from the internet, maybe laminate it so that they can actually draw the jumps on and then wipe it out. So I'm just going to write out a simple subtraction. So 8 take away 4 equals. So I always usually ask the children that I'm working with to read out the calculation that we're working on, just like when I ask them to read out a sentence, just so they know what all the numbers mean and what all the symbols mean. So 8 take away 4 equals. Then we talk about what number that we start on. So we know that we start on the first number and obviously the biggest number in the calculation. So I'd ask them to find that on their number line. And a good strategy to use is to actually mark where their starting number is. So maybe draw a little dot or a little star. Then we're going to talk about the symbol taken away. So we're going to discuss what direction that we're going in. So because it's taken away, we're going to say, obviously make sure that we're going backwards on the number line, so towards 0. And then because we're taking away 4, we're then going to talk about that we're going to do 4 jumps. So taking away 4 means we're going to do 4 jumps backwards. So then we would just show how to draw this on our number line. 1, 2, 3, 4, making sure that each jump we land on a number, and then we look at the number that we land on, which is the number 4, and obviously that's going to be our answer. And then we would just ask the children to write the answer to the calculation. So another way of using a number line to teach subtraction is to encourage children to think about different sizes of jumps. So instead of just doing to go from one number to the other, do one jump and then jumping from one number to the next, you could actually look at jumps of 5 or jumps of 10. And this is a really good way to encourage them to think about doing addition and subtraction in lots of different ways. So for this subtraction, we're going to look at one like, for example, 15 take away 12. So we're going to find our starting number, which is the first number in the calculation, the 15. Put a little dot there so that we know that we're starting there. And then instead of doing 12 jumps of 1, we're actually going to do one big jump of 10 first. Now this is really good if the children are looking for a bit more of a challenge, if they know if they can do adding and taking away 10. So we're going to go all the way from 15, do one big jump of 10 all the way to 5. And then I would be writing on as well, take away 10. So we know that that's one big jump of 10, and so that children can keep track of what they've taken away so far. And then we're going to do our 2 little jumps of 1. 1, 2. So then we know that we land on the number 3, and then that would then be our answer. So that's another way that we could use a number line to do subtraction. So we can also look at jumps of 5 for subtraction as well. So we're just going to have a little look at the subtraction, say 18 take away 13 equals. So then this time we're going to look for our starting number, which is the number 18. So here, mark it on the number line. And then this time, instead of doing one big jump of 10, we can actually do 2 jumps of 5. So this is a little bit more challenging, but again, it's another good way for children to explore subtraction and for them to figure out which way they find easiest as well. So we're going to go from 18, a jump of 5 backwards, making sure that we know that we're going back towards 0 because it's a taken away, and we're going to jump down to 13. So that's taken away 5, so that's one jump of 5. And then we're going to do another jump of 5, going from 13 all the way down to number 8. So that's taken away 5 again. And again, I would definitely be encouraging the children to write their sizes of jumps above, just so they can keep track of what they've taken away. So now we've taken away 10 altogether, so now we're going to take away 3, so we can do 3 little jumps of 1. 1, 2, 3. And there we are on our answer, number 5, which we can write up here. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you found this useful. If you're interested in other teaching related videos, then make sure and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye!